Deep in the wilds, Nova heard a sound no one could make, a soft melody, like music from a dream. He followed it and found something incredible. There stood an old carousel. Its clockwork gears were silent until Nova placed a curious paw on its lever. The carousel whirred to life. Around Nova, the fairground shimmered, the forest stirred, and the stars began to shimmer. As Nova hopped on, the world around him spun. Suddenly, Nova was stopped inside a glowing hall filled with echoes of laughter, Nova's laughter. Every corner was a frozen moment of fun which he'd forgotten. In the center sat a cracked music box in which Nova had found. Around it, dust gathered like time paused. It used to sing, whispered a quiet voice. Suddenly, the box clicked and began to play, and Nova smiled. He jumped, spun, and danced like he did when he was little. Nova climbed aboard once more on the carousel, this time not to go backward or forward, but to just be in the moment. Back in the forest, Nova hummed the tune from the music box. Sometimes the best adventures aren't about where you go, but how they make you feel when you return.